Hello, this is Andrew Smith here again, reporting on day 16 of the MLM Lead System 90-Day Challenge. Now, what I've got up on the screen here today is an application called TweetDeck, and I heard about this again through the mentors and the trainers with the MLM Lead System Pro. And basically what this is a way of summarising all of your activity that's going on in your Twitter account. So you'll notice basically that there's 4 columns. Now, if you're familiar with Twitter, you'll know that in order to access each of these areas, you need to click on different tabs and you would view this information in isolation. Whereas here we've got a column for any activity from any of your friends, so any posts, any tweets, any retweets, or any @replies that have been posted by any of your friends on Twitter. So that's something that's really useful that you can see at a glance. You've also got your mentions, which is where anyone has either retweeted one of your posts or they've replied to one of your posts. So again, at a glance you can see which ones of those are new, and you can keep up to date with those as they come in. Then the next column is your direct messages. Now these you would normally receive either if someone is acknowledging that you followed them, they might send you a message to say thanks for following, here's how to find out more about me. Or if someone's sending possibly sensitive information to you that they wouldn't want to share with the rest of the Twitter community. And then the final column we've got here is the TweetDeck recommendations, which is where it would recommend people for you to follow based on maybe some of the other people you're following or based on some of the keywords you're using and that kind of thing. So it's really useful to have access to all of those things. Now the other big advantage with this is that you'll get an alert every time something new is added to a column. So say for example one of your friends posts a new tweet, you'll get an alert up in the top right hand corner which will tell you that one of the people you're following or one of your friends has done that. The same for if someone replies to one of your messages, and the same if someone decides to send you a direct message. So everything's there. It can be up on your screen and you can keep that there and work on other things and have those alerts come through. Now this is completely free to use. I believe the web address is www.tweetdeck.com. However, if you Google TweetDeck, you'll be able to find that. It's a free application to download, and it's very, very useful if you're looking to build these relationships with Twitter. Now, I have told you about a couple of other tools or applications that I really recommend. The first one was the Twitter Later, and I spoke about that in detail on day 13 of this challenge. So feel free to go back and check that video. And that's a great way for managing your own direct messages for your new followers and keeping a track of who's following you and who you're following and keeping that up to date. There we go. That's an alert from one of my friends on Twitter. So take a look at that. I have on the day 13 video. I did post a link for that if you need that. And the other application that I was recommending is the Your Twitter Karma, and again I discussed that yesterday, day 15, so check that out. And these are all free applications and they're just going to make your experience of Twitter a lot easier to manage and a lot easier to understand and stay up to date on things. Okay, so I will speak to you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 17. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and I'll speak to you soon.